Hi friends, today we are going to know engine types by fuel. That's automobile engine types by fuel. So, considering fuel, there is two type of engine, gasoline engine and diesel engine. So, what is gasoline engine? Gasoline engine use gasoline fuel means petrol produce high power compact package unit used in passenger cars with spark plugs. Then we are going to diesel engines. It's using diesel fuel, produce large torque, offer good fuel economy, used in trucks, buses, SUVs, and some kind of passenger vehicles. And there is no spark plug. This is two main type of engine category. Also, there was some other kind of engines like hybrid engines and electric vehicles and also hydrogen cars. Thank you very much for watching.